It looks like the latest trend among Southeast governors is making security a top priority in Igbo land. Oh my goodness, the competition is becoming so high. This is some fantastic news, you all. So just recently, the Anambra State governor purchased over 200 vehicles to boost security across the state. In case you missed out on that latest juicy update, kindly go through our videos for more. And now, it's the turn of the governor of Abia State. It's Governor Alex Otti of Abia State's turn, stepping up big time. Who do you think will be next? Because honestly, this is the kind of competition we love to see in Igbo land. Governors actually working to protect lives and property. Southeastern governor aiming to do something different, something spectacular is what we are on about on this channel. So here's the gist. Governor Alex Otti has officially handed over 5 refurbished and upgraded armored personnel carriers (APCs) to the Nigerian Police Force in Abia State. These heavy-duty security vehicles, which were once abandoned, have now been restored, upgraded, and brought back to life, all thanks to the efforts of the Abia State government. Now, what does this mean for the people of Abia? Stronger security, of course, faster response to crime, and better equipped officers to handle any security threats in the state. No more stories of criminals running wild because the police don't have enough resources to tackle them. With these APCs on board, security agencies now have more firepower to keep Abia State safe and secure. Governor Otti has also made it very clear he will never allow public assets to waste under his watch. These security vehicles, instead of rusting away, have now been given a second chance to live, to serve the people. This move is a major win for Abia State and an example of what leadership looks like. When security improves, business thrives, people feel safer, and the entire state moves forward. Now, the big question is, which governor is next? Which governor are you anticipating to take these security measures just like Anambra State government and Abia State government? Because the bar has really been raised. This is Faith Carlo reporting from Igbo People TV.